Hello. Hi. So I am cooking here. Wait. I'm frying my plantain. Plantain is fried, and then some potato, sweet potato, and then onions for egg sauce. Onions going, pepper. Pour everything together. Plus pour it. So more pepper to pour. I use canned tomato. Stir my Maggi and salt coming in, season. Yeah. Now pour it into the non-stick frying pan so that it can put the egg. So egg is entered. I mix it a little, reduce the heat, put some of the plantain, arrange it. I was trying to do, I don't know what you call it, plantain parada or something. Reduce the heat, let it cook gently. It's ready. Now I tried to turn it. It was a disaster, complete disaster. The pan was too heavy for my small hand. So anyway, we make do with it. It's ready. I just plate it like that. It is what it is. Bye.